Okay, now we're going to go ahead and work on the orange part. For this, I'm going to right click, pick sketch, go to 2-point rectangle, then select this plane. Start at the origin, click, move up and to the right, type 1.5, tab 0.75, enter. Then I will finish the sketch. Now I'm going to hit E for extrude, grab the arrow, start pulling that. 1.5 will be the distance that I extrude this one. 1.5, enter. Now I right click, do a new sketch, and then go to my rectangle, 2-point rectangle, start at the origin, move up and to the left, type 0.75, tab 0.75, enter, and then finish sketch. Then hit E for extrude, select that, pull that out, and then do 1.5, enter. Okay, now I hit A for appearance. I'm going to go ahead and scroll down till I get to that red again. Even though this is orange, they don't have a red or an orange option immediately available. So what I do is click powder coat red, and then I drag that over to the block. Now up here, I can see powder coat red. I'm going to right click and I'm going to click edit. So now I'm going to rename this to powder coat orange. And then I'm going to slide this over until I get an orange that I like. So probably about there. And then click done. So now I have powder coat orange, custom color. And I'll go ahead and hit save. Call this orange part and hit enter.